Millions of people suffer from endocrine diseases each year, and while there are a number of investigational therapies under development today, not enough investment is directed towards rare endocrine disease, where the standard of care today is inadequate or therapeutic options to beat the disease are non-existent. At least that was the case before Spruce Biosciences. Spruce is a company focused on improving the lives of patients suffering from rare endocrine disorders with significant unmet medical need. Spruce is developing its wholly owned product candidate Tildacerfont for treatment of congenital adrenal hyperplasia, or CAH, and polycystic ovary syndrome. Tildacerfont is a potent and highly selective and non-steroidal second-generation oral antagonist of the CRF1 receptor, which is the receptor for corticotropin releasing factor, or CRF, a hormone that's secreted by the hypothalamus. Tildacerfont works by blocking the pathways that drive excessive adrenal hormones in people living with CAH. Spruce's treatment goal is to deliver a new therapy that reduces adrenal hormones in people living with CAH and therefore reduce dependence on high doses of glucocorticoids, the current standard of care therapy which presents serious complications over a person's lifetime. Currently, there is no approved non-steroidal treatment specifically for CAH. Spruce recently published promising phase 2 results for Tildacerfont in the Journal for Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism. In phase 2 studies, Tildacerfont successfully reduced key hormone biomarkers towards normal levels, and in some cases, normalized those key hormone biomarkers in adults with classic CAH, the severe form of CAH. Tildacerfont was safe and well tolerated in the trials. Based on the results of its phase 2 program, Spruce has initiated 2 global late-stage studies in adults with classic CAH, which it refers to as its Camellia program. Tildacerfont has the potential to change the treatment paradigm for people living with CAH and other endocrine disorders. Steroids have terrible long-lasting effects on people, including one patient who said that she was on steroids for 30 years, which gave her osteoporosis osteopenia. If approved, Tildacerfont has the potential to ease the disease and steroid burden for these deserving patients. There are approximately 20,000 to 30,000 people in the United States and approximately 50,000 people living in the EU living with classic CAH. Industry experts cite the global market opportunity in classic CAH to be at least $3 billion. With data from its late-stage Camellia programs anticipated in 2022, Spruce could be one step closer to bringing a new therapeutic option to people living with CAH.